Here's the secret to perfectly peeled potatoes. To peel uncooked potatoes, it's quickest to use a vegetable peeler. Hold the potato vertically in one hand with the peeler in the other. Peel from top to bottom. Use the tip of the peeler to remove any sprouts. You can also peel the potato with a paring knife. Use the knife to peel in a spiral motion from top to bottom, just as you would an apple. Rinse the potatoes with water to remove any dirt before you cook them. As an option, you can boil the potatoes before you peel them. This method preserves the full flavor of the potato. First, wash the potatoes well so you don't get dirt in your cooking water. Boil the unpeeled potatoes in slightly salted water and peel them while they're still warm. Now the peel is easily removed with a knife. Use rubber gloves if the potatoes are too hot to handle. Cut out the sprouts if necessary. And that's the way to peel potatoes.